Matlala was arrested in May this year for allegedly attempting to kill Tebogo Thobejane in 2023. After spending months in the Kgosimampuru prison in Pretoria, he attempted but failed to persuade the courts to release him on bail. The state told the court that the tender tycoon has an unlawful Eswatini identity card on his phone, which renders him a flight risk and a danger to society. Both the Alexandra Magistrates Court and the High Court sitting in Johannesburg dismissed his bail applications.
Having evaluated the evidence, the court finds the applicant has failed to demonstrate that he does not pose a flight risk. The applicant has failed to dispel the risk of interference with state witnesses and obstruction of justice. The nature and seriousness of the offences demonstrate a clear danger to the safety of the community. The state's case viewed at this stage cannot be described as weak.
The state argued that Madlala's Home Affairs records showed that he is still not back in the country, despite being in the Pretoria prison. The prosecution also alleges that Madlala is the mastermind behind the 2024 attempted murder of Sienki Mokubung, also known as DJ Vetis, and businessman Josie Banyoni in 2022. Along with his co-accused, he has at least 25 charges to answer to.
The charges are 11 counts of attempted murder, 3 of conspiracy to commit murder, 3 of possession of prohibited firearms. Then we also have counts of contravention of the Organized Crime Act, the Prevention of Organized Crime Act, which is Oupa. In that we allege that they committed money laundering as well as fraud.
Katiso Malefe is another alleged underworld kingpin who spent this year in and out of the courts after his arrest in July. According to the state, WhatsApp messages show that Molefe facilitated payments to the gunmen who pulled the trigger on DJ Sumbody and his 2 bodyguards in 2022. During his bail application, the state told the court that Molefe is also involved in the illicit drug trade. In August, the Alexandra Magistrates Court ruled that he should stay behind bars pending his trial.
There are a number of very concerning aspects, not only linking the applicant to the crimes, but also regarding his circle of influence and capabilities. His application for bail is accordingly refused.
However, the bail denial was overturned by the Johannesburg High Court in October. Malefair is also out on 100,000 rand bail in connection with the 2024 murder of Vereeniging-based engineer Aman Swart. The state further alleges that the 61-year-old orchestrated the murder of music producer Hector DJ Vintos Buthelezi in 2022. Molefe and his co-accused face at least 35 charges, including murder. Matlala and Molefe are charged alongside the same alleged gunmen, Tebogo Mabusela and Mosakekana. Police have managed to seize the firearms allegedly used in the crimes they are accused of.
We've got 3 firearms in police custody that we have seized. It's the 1 AK-47 and the 2 pistols. So in terms of the case of Mr. Sibanyoni, we have linked the attempted murder to that 1 AK-47 that can also be linked to the Aman Swart case, the DJ Sumbody and his 2 bodyguards case, the Don Dingleni murder, as well as the DJ Vintos murder. So we now know that that AK-47 was also used in the attempted murder of Mr. Joe Sibanyoni. And then in terms of the DJ Vetis case, we are positively linking the pistols, one of the pistols that we have seized and that is in custody, that is in police SAP 13, to the attempted murder of DJ Vetis.
Madlala is expected back in the High Court in Johannesburg for trial in January, while Molefe's trial is set for February in the same court. Neria Hlakotsa, SABC News, Johannesburg.